Alright guys, this is the list of specialty tools for the rear main seal extraction on the Ford 4.9 liter or 300 cubic inch. Basically I have my pliers, a couple deck screws. I just had some stuff laying around. These are 8 by 1 5/8. Hammer, impact. I used a 1/8 inch drill bit, which is right here. Boom. And give a shout out for Thunder right there. Oh, the real deal. And find my old seal here. There we go. All right, yeah, so basically all I did was just drilled into it, ran my screws in a little bit, just not being too greedy. And there you have it. That's all you need to pull that rear main seal. Pretty easy. Today I was just taking out the rear main seal. As you can see, I already have transmission pulled, everything off. So I just figured I'd throw some quick pointers out there. So this was the rear main seal that was in it. All I did was take a 1/8 inch drill bit, drilled into it, making sure not to hit either side, because if you scratch anything on the metal here, you're gonna end up with a leak most likely with any gouge. So you want to be very careful. But basically I just ran those screws in there, came to pull it out. I just took my pliers, grabbed onto one side, took my hammer and whacked it in my direction to pull the seal out. Pretty simple getting that out of there, so it wasn't too bad. Basically I just went ahead and cleaned everything, wiped everything down, make sure there's no metal debris left in there. And I'll go ahead and set up for the new one. Already got it here ready. Anyways, basically I'm just gonna use a little bit of a white lithium grease or just something to help lubricate this seal so it slides into place easier. And like I said, this is a 96 F-150, just reinstalling the rear main seal. So let's see how it goes. Never done it before. Spray a little on my finger, run that around. We got some on the outside too. Inside, both spots are gonna make contact there. Main thing is you want to make sure, probably hard to see, but this little spring, this little tension spring, we'll make sure we keep that in place. So you gotta be careful with it. I already cleaned all this out. I'll try to line her up the best I can. All right, she went in pretty nice. I'm gonna take my old one, use that as a guide so I don't hurt the new one. And just slowly work it around. Shootsy squirrels. See, right into place there. Granddaddy's old tools. He used a nail. I put a screw in it. This thing has been through a lot and it's still holding up. All right. I'm not getting sidetracked. Oh, seated beautifully. Let's go around the perimeter again just to make sure. Little short taps. and you just taking out the old rear main seal and put a new one. Matter of minutes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. There'll be more to talk about on Thunder. I love this truck. It's got over 400,000 miles, 300 for life.